Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this Santa Claus in the sleigh. I'm going to go in first and I'm going to base coat my sleigh and Santa's outfit and hat in the color Rustic Red, which is a Dixie Belle color, and I will be using all Dixie Belle colors throughout this video. You can purchase the paint, brushes, and the cutout that I'm using on buildacross.com. I'm going in now with the color Fluff for his beard and the fluff on his hat, and I went in for putty for his face, and then on his presents I'm using Evergreen and Mint Julep. And then I'm just going to go in with Savannah Mist for my wheels, or whatever you would call that bottom part on my sleigh. I'm not sure what it would be called. Now that everything's dried, I'm going in with my Sharpie brush stroke marker and outlining everything. I'm also going to use this Sharpie marker to go in and do some lettering, and you could absolutely go in with vinyl or paint instead if you prefer, but this marker is the easiest option for me. And I just went in and added a little bit of a mouth for him, and then I'm outlining everything. And then I'm going to go in and highlight everything with a little bit of that fluff color and a number 4 round. I'm going to highlight my lettering included, sticking to the left side of all of my letters, and then that will complete my project. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.